In this demo, I'm going to show you how kops can run multiple masters. I'm logged in here in my Ubuntu Xenial box, and you can add some arguments to kops to run multiple masters. Have a look at this command, for instance. Kops create cluster, then we have the name, the state, which is S3, and then the zones. You can actually specify multiple zones. This is going to make it a little bit more complex when launching volumes, because pods that use EBS backed volumes, they need to be launched in the same zone. But Kubernetes labels your nodes, so you can easily use node selector when running pods. You will have therefore a cluster that spans multiple zones. Still the same region, but multiple zones. You can increase the node count or you can leave it at 2. If you leave it at 2, you will launch only in 2 zones. If you increase it to 3 or more, you will cover all 3 zones. The node size is still the same, the master size is still the same. DNS zone is Kubernetes New Tech Academy, but then here master zones. So here you specify 3 master zones, which will mean that you have 3 masters running, 1 in each zone. So I'm going to go ahead and create this cluster, and then it's going to preview the changes that it will make. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the configuration of what is going to happen. So here we have the node configuration, the instance groups. So you see here, min size 2, max size 2, T2 micro, and we have 3 zones. If you still only want to launch your slave nodes, you could just remove B and C here. Then the master nodes, let's say master EU1A, is going to be our first master of size 1. Then we're going to have a second master, EU West 1B, and then we're going to have a third master. So even if a full zone fails, our master will still be working. And if your cluster spans multiple zones, then your cluster will also be able to still keep on working even if one data center of AWS completely fails. So that's it for this demo. As you can see, kops has ways to edit the configuration file, to make custom changes and to make your own custom cluster.